then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real?
What's up, y'all? It's Kayla, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Oh my god, it's been forever since you guys saw me do a YouTube video. It feels so weird, it feels different, but I'm back. Done with the reaction videos, y'all. Reaction videos were just not for me. But yeah, today y'all can see my hair is wet. I just got the shower. I know I look a little crazy or whatever. I'm doing the butterfly haircut, which I'm fucking scared shitless. It may not seem like it, but I am kind of scared because last time I done the, I think it was the wolf haircut, I was just trying to get the front, you know, framed to my face. I don't know, but I really didn't like it. But I hope this one turns out, because at this point I just keep on chopping and chopping and chopping for no reason if I don't like it. So I just hope I like it. If you guys don't know Brad Mondo, I'm going to be following along with his little tutorial on his butterfly cut at home. And yeah, let's just hope and pray that it turns out good. The supplies I got is my brush. I already brushed my hair out. I got my shears. I got my shears from cosmetology school, but I think you can buy them from any store. I got my comb. I got a blow dryer for when I'm done. I hope this turns out good. First things first, he said to part your hair from the apex, meaning the most highest point of your head, and then go, I think, the behind your ears, or yeah, behind your ears. So I got a mirror right here, so yeah. Right, I think that's good. Is it good? Oh, that feels like it's a lot of hair. And I don't want to cut too much hair, because what if I don't like it? Okay. I think I got it. Is that good? Alright. Next step. Okay, and so I guess you pull all the hair to the front, I guess to the middle of your not your forehead, but right here. Anyways. And like he said in the video, make sure that your hair is wet so you could get the perfect cut.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Are you serious? Okay, now with this one, he said we gotta do a high pony all the way up to the apex. And I just realized I only had one hair tie, so I gotta go get another one. Okay, so I found this one. Oh my god, my hair is nappy again. That's one thing about my hair. Like, I brush it once and then it gets naughty, nappy, whatever you want to call it, again, like 5 seconds later. Why was that the hardest thing ever to do? What the heck? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna brush this out because obviously it keeps getting tangled up for no reason at all. Now that that's up or whatever, I look freaking crazy, y'all. But anyways, now the next step is to hold it at like an angle and cut off a good amount of hair, which this is the scary part. I'm just gonna start off with a little bit. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Let's do right here. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. To me, that's a lot of freaking hair. That's a lot of freaking hair. Okay, I did it. It's over. I'm gonna cry. after this, I'm gonna cry. So hopefully I like it. Hopefully I freaking like it because, oh my god. Cut off about the same amount. So I'm gonna like do this so I know. Okay, so I guess about right here. And we're just gonna chop it the fuck off. Oh my god, I'm fucking scared. Rest in peace to my hair. Let's see how this looks. I actually honestly needed a trim anyways because I had a lot of split ends. Let me sit up for y'all. I don't know if y'all can see because I can't even see myself. Oh my god. Could definitely see the layers already, and so far I am feeling it. I am feeling it so far. I thought my hair was gonna look a lot shorter than it actually is because originally my hair was all the way down to my booty, and it's still down to my booty. So that's what I was scared about. But let me brush this out real quick. Now you can't really tell. But let me go ahead and blow dry and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done. And it looks really cute. I did do a time lapse of me blow drying my freaking hair. But apparently I wasn't freaking recording. So anyways, I love it. It's so pretty. I am lost for words. This is the, what is this? Iron Straight heat spray. Yeah, heat spray that I use for my hair before I, you know, put any type of heat on my hair. But I love it. I love it. It's giving very much layered. Whenever I was, get out of here. When I was in middle school, my mom used to always take me to Walmart. Yes, Walmart. To the hair salon in Walmart. And she would always give me layers. I think short layers she would always put in my hair. But I would always love it. The reason why I stopped going to a professional hair salon is because one time I asked for short layers and she literally cut my hair all the way up to here. And I was like, no, never the freak again. Yeah, anyways, this is so cute. I was using this brush to, you know, try to do that and blow dry it at the same time, but it's always a disaster when I try to do stuff like that. I don't know why. Other people online, they make it seem like it's so easy, but it's really not. Especially on the side where you can't do it because you're right-handed or you're left-handed and you can't do it on a certain side, so it's like really hard and it's just a whole mess. But yeah, I like it. I hope you guys like it. I hope this motivates you guys to come out your comfort zone and go ahead and cut your hair, because that was me. I'm always scared to cut my hair, but girl, go do it, because my hair actually feels a lot better too. Like, it feels so good. Let me flip it back. I don't know if y'all can see the layers or not, but it's so cute. I was going to put on makeup just to see like the whole look. Ew, that was a freaking fly. I was going to put on makeup just to see how the whole look would turn out to look, but I think it looks good without makeup. You know, a lot of times we think, oh, I need makeup, I need makeup, I need makeup. Like, no girl, no you don't. You beautiful. So stop letting that get to your head, okay? There's a fucking fly in here. I'm about to fucking swat it. Crazy. I can't stop looking in the mirror. Like, obviously this part is from when I cut my hair last time, but I could still see a big difference with like the rest of my hair that I just cut, it just looks so good. It's bringing back childhood memories. I still love getting my hair cut, and it just makes my hair feel so much more healthier after I cut my hair. It's crazy how my hair is so freaking long and I never do nothing to it. Like literally I just always have it up in a bun, and people's like, oh, why don't you wear your hair out? You have all that hair and you never wear it out. And I'm just like, I'm a lazy ass bitch, okay? Don't worry about me. But I really do need to start doing some more stuff to my hair because it be turning out really good. Maybe I need to do more videos on YouTube doing different styles to my hair. So let me know down below what you guys think. And excuse that broken ass fucking shit right there. I'm so lazy. That shit literally cost like $2 and I still haven't replaced it yet, but it's okay. I'll get to it. Okay, don't worry about it. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching throughout the whole video. If you guys did, I really do appreciate you guys' love and support. I hope this video motivated you guys to want to jump into that, you know, jump outside your comfort zone and cut your hair. Just do it, because I thought I wasn't gonna like it, because I honestly thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I ended up really freaking loving it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so very much, and yeah, I'll let you guys go. Peace.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real?